Hey Achievers, this is Karishma Kausar, the core member of HLT Spartan team. This video is all about the mythbusters about the COVID-19. So let's see what is coronavirus or COVID-19. So coronavirus is also known as COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. The most of the people infected with the coronavirus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring a special treatment also. Older people and though with the underlying medical problems like cardiovascular diseases, diabetic disease, chronic respiratory disease, our cancer patients are more likely to be develop serious illness. So here are the some myth and the facts related to COVID-19. So coming to the first myth 1. So hydroxychloroquine does have the clinical benefits in treating COVID patients. Is it really true? It's not so true. The fact says like hydroxychloroquine or the chloroquine which is used in treatment for the malaria and for the autoimmune boosting, and the current data shows that this drug does not reduce the deaths among the hospitalized COVID patients nor they help the people with the moderate diseases. So coming to our next myth 2, antibiotics can prevent or treat COVID-19. No, it's not true. Antibiotics works only against the bacterial diseases, not viruses. The COVID-19 is caused by a virus and therefore antibiotics should not be used for prevention or for the treatment. However, if you are hospitalized for the COVID-19, you may receive antibiotics for the bacterial co-infection is possible. So coming to our that is myth 3, the people of the old age and the children's only affected by the COVID-19 virus. Well, in this case, this is not so true. That like older people and the younger people can be affected by the COVID-19 virus. Older people and the people with the pre-existing medical conditions such as like asthma, diabetic or heart diseases appear to be more vulnerable for severely ill with this virus. Coming to the fourth myth, eating garlic can prevent COVID-19. This is not so true. The garlic is an healthy food that may have some antimicrobial property. However, but there is no evidence from the current outbreak that eating garlic can protect the people from the new coronavirus. So coming to our myth number 5, rinsing your nose with saline does prevent COVID-19. Well, there are some limited evidence that shows that regular rinsing of your nose with saline can help the people to recover quickly from the common cold. But however, regularly rinsing your nose does not shows to prevent the respiratory infections. So coming to our myth number 6, that is COVID-19 virus can be spread through mosquitoes. To date, there are no such informations or evidence to suggest that the COVID-19 virus can transmitted through the mosquitoes. Well, it is an respiratory virus. It is caused by a respiratory virus which is primarily spread through the droplets, not by mosquitoes. So coming to our myth number 7, taking a hot bath does really prevent COVID-19? This is not so true. Taking hot bath will not prevent you from catching the COVID-19, and taking the hot bath with extremely hot water can be harmful and it can also burn you. So coming to our next myth number 8, being able to hold your breath for 10 seconds or more without coughing or the feeling discomfortable in breathing thus shows you are free from COVID? No, you cannot confirm it by this breathing exercise. Even it can be dangerous. The most common symptoms of the COVID-19 is dry cough, tiredness, and fever. The most of the people may develop more severe forms of this disease, such as pneumonia, also. So, the best way to confirm it is to get the laboratory tested. Okay, so coming to our myth number 9, COVID-19 is transmitted through houseflies. So to date, there is no evidence or the information suggesting that the COVID-19 virus is transmitted through the houseflies. So coming to our last myth, suffering from COVID-19, it means you have it for a life. This is the myth, but this is not so true. The most of the people who have catched the COVID-19 can recover and eliminate the virus from their bodies if you catch the disease and make sure you are treat your symptoms. And if you get a cold or the fever or feeling difficulty, and please do seek the medical care early as possible. So the best way to protect yourself is to keep the at least 1 meter distance from the others and the infected people, and avoid touching the infected surfaces, and clean your hands thoroughly and avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. So that's it for the day. And additional bonus myth for you all is like, does corona or COVID-19 spread through food? Remember that experts have said that there is no evidence yet that it can prove that COVID is spread through the food. So the food and the packaging containing the food are completely safe. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more videos.